Hey, what's up guys? Come on, I will show you today how we're going to start making the process of making the dough for pizza. You ready? Come on, follow me. And this is right now. Of course, next time I will show you how to start everything, when you put the water, the salt and everything else. So I can't really tell you all the secrets because it has to stay, you know, as a secret, right? But I will show you right now how we're gonna make it and everything. Guys, so we're about to start cutting the pizzas, the slide doughs, so we can do all the milligrams, how many milligrams, or you can say pounds in American, and we cut them, each one, we measured it. To make a perfect pie, you gotta measure it, so it can be a perfect pie. So, here we go, it's 500 milligrams. Of course, then we roll them. You gotta make the perfect roll so it can look nice. So when you stretch it, it's easy to make a pizza. So there's everything has a process for everything. Here we go. The perfect roll. So I'm going to show you now how we're going to get ready the house pies. Basically, it's going to be for the showcase. We make the large pies, margarita, chicken, bacon, all that, you know, like every other pizzeria has. So first, we get them ready. Again, we do like a 700 grams. It's like almost like a pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds. Doesn't matter really. Depends how much you want to stretch it. So we're going to cut them now. 700 grams. Roll it as usual, and then put in the can, press, and we do the same thing for all of them, and we line them up like that, and we let it rise for at least 1 hour. Alright guys, so right now we have 2 pies to make, so I'm going to show you from the beginning to the end. Let's go. Put in the flour. If you want to mix it just flour, you can do it semolina. Depends how crispy you want to make it. Okay. Stretch it. As usual. Make the crust. A lot of people like the crust. You can go do like that. You can flip it on the other side. You can go like that. You gotta be fast and you don't have to rip it. Couple times. And you can throw on the air if you want. Depends how fast you want to be. I can make pizzas in 30 seconds, I can make pizzas in 2 minutes, it doesn't matter. So, the sauce. To give it a little fresh taste, you put some Parmesan cheese. Like, you guys know the signature, right? Like everybody knows that. And the cheese. Okay, we got half meatballs. A little bit of oregano on top. Woo! Pizza is ready, guys. If you want to make it fast, you can put on the back. Go on the back. And that's how you do it. Okay, alright guys. So now you see before and after. So So that's the half meatball pie. Looks well done. A lot of people like it crispy. Some people don't. I like to make them in a medium kind of range. It takes around, it's about probably like 7-8 minutes, depends how many degrees is in the oven. And this is how we pack it. On the top of the oven, as usual. And ready for delivery.